Today, we're diving into an exciting and increasingly popular gardening topic. What are the best plants for a desert garden? Gardening in arid environments presents unique challenges, but also unique opportunities to cultivate resilient and stunning landscapes. Let's explore some of the star players in the desert gardening game. First up, let's understand the environment we're dealing with. Desert gardens need to thrive in conditions with minimal water, high temperatures, and intense sunlight. This environment isn't for every plant, but some flourish in these conditions, turning your garden into a desert oasis. One of the best plants for a desert garden is the iconic saguaro cactus. Native to the Sonoran Desert, this cactus is not only a symbol of the American Southwest, but also an excellent plant for desert landscapes. It requires minimal water once established and can live for hundreds of years, growing up to 60 feet tall. Next, consider adding some agave plants. Agave species, with their striking forms and easy care, make a bold statement in any desert garden. These plants are incredibly drought tolerant, storing water in their thick leaves, and thrive in full sun. With a wide variety to choose from, agave plants can offer both architectural height and interesting textures. Don't forget about the colorful and versatile bougainvillea. While not a traditional desert plant, bougainvillea is incredibly heat and drought tolerant once established. It offers a cascading waterfall of vibrant colors, from deep purples to fiery reds and oranges, adding a lush feel to arid landscapes. Aloe is another excellent choice for desert gardens. Aloe varieties are not just medicinal, but also aesthetic, with their rosette patterns and ease of care. Like agave, they store water in their leaves and prefer sunny conditions. When they bloom, they send up stalks of dramatic tubular flowers that attract hummingbirds. Lastly, let's talk about the desert marigold. This low-maintenance, sun-loving plant brings a splash of bright yellow to your garden. It's extremely drought-tolerant and will bloom multiple times a year, adding continuous color and contrast to your desert landscape. In conclusion, these plants highlight just a few options that can make your desert garden both resilient and beautiful. Each brings its unique characteristics, from striking forms to vibrant blooms, able to withstand the tough desert conditions. When planning your desert garden, consider these wonderful candidates that embrace and enhance their natural surroundings. Thank you for watching. Embracing the challenges of desert gardening can result in a landscape that's not only sustainable, but also incredibly rewarding. Exploring these resilient plants is a great way to start reimagining your space as a desert paradise. Happy gardening in your own slice of the desert.